In this video, we'll see how we can find accessions that are similar to the accessions that we have sent to some collaborator. So first we're going to get the accessions from a shipment onto the clipboard, and then we're going to see how we can get all of the accessions that have the same genetic information. So for any accession on the clipboard that is an introduction, it will find the other accessions of the same introduction ID, and similarly for accessions that have a cross ID or a seed bulk ID. So first we'll go to Manage Shipments, and then we'll find the shipment we are interested in. This is a good one. And then we just click Replace Clipboard with Shipment Contents, and that's going to clear out the clipboard and just put every accession from this selected shipment onto the clipboard. Alright, got a little confirmation. Now we're going to add the similar accessions by going to List Builder, continue with Most Recent List, and then click this new button that we just added in the latest version of the database. And I'm going to pause because this is super slow. Alright, so that looks like that should have worked. Let's see the results here. I just clicked Output List to see what we had on the clipboard now. And so now we have around 7,000 accessions that are all of the same cross ID as at least one of the accessions that was in the shipment that we selected. So we also have the locations here and the accession types and the most recent experiment for the accessions that we found to be associated with. So if we wanted to then go and get like plant numbers for the guys that we just found, we would just have to tweak this sheet a little bit. Say like run successions for that first column that we had, and fortunately we only have one type that we found here, so we can just change that to accession code and save it as similar accessions. And I actually already checked this one, so unfortunately I know that we're going to find out that there isn't any trait data recorded for these guys, but if there was trait data, we would just go to Build a List, choose Workbook, pick the thing that we just saved, and pretty much just go through the regular process for getting trait data. Make data collection sheet, and unfortunately after we filter trait list by clipboard, we're going to find that all of these drop downs are actually empty, and they wouldn't, or at least shouldn't be empty, if we had trait data for these guys.